Inflation, out of control. Taxes, raising faster than incomes. Crime, worse than ever. Someone has to do something.
Welcome back to another episode of The Replacements. I'm Paul Beran, candidate for supervisor of the Franconia District here in Fairfax County. We have a guest host. Cassandra is running for the school board for Fairfax County.
Yes, I am. And I don't believe that we are doing the best we can with our education system. Academic standards are down. Our achievement is down. Our dollars are going up. Where do you see your role in our education system here in Fairfax County?
Well, my role would be to assure public safety.
Mm-hmm.
And if that safety also includes guidelines for our children to keep them safe, then I have to speak up.
Or if the board is not following what the board of supervisors think are important rules or laws or regulations or policies, they cannot approve the budget.
Between the two boards to actually work together,
I agree.
That would be so much better than what you have now, where they're just not even paying attention to what the other's doing.
Right.
If you work together, then you have more minds to participate in a greater way.
Right.
I look forward to serving everyone out there as for Franconia District in Fairfax County and working with Cassandra Aucoin.
Paid for by the Virginia Project, the Replacements.us. Not authorized by any candidate or candidate's campaign.